How do you turn off repeated calls on the iPhone? Let me explain it, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So if you notice that you are getting calls, let's say from the same person over and over again, right? If you want to stop that from happening, you have a few options. Let's say that you never want to receive the same call, for example, from that person. You go to the phone app, Recent, and click on the information icon and next to it, and you can see some details and call history and whatever, but at the bottom you should be able to see the block contact. And when you block that particular person, it just means that they will really not be able to make any more calls anymore, so no repeated calling will be available by that person. So that's one approach. On the other hand, you can also play around with the settings a little bit more. So if you head over to the main settings app, so we are on the first page, and at the bottom we can find apps, and from those we get to pick the phone app. And in here we have plenty of ways to customize stuff, but you can enable what's called unknown callers filtering. And if you feel that you have some random people calling you multiple times over, you can enable the unknown callers button, which means that missed calls and voicemail from unknown numbers will be moved to the unknown callers list. So it's better to organize stuff. But even above that, we have the screening of unknown callers, and you can decide that you silence literally every number that is not saved, and it will be sent to voicemail and part of the reasons list, but it will not call, it will not ring, and that's how you can make sure that nobody can really reach you unless you have them saved. So that's like a nice way to stop the repeating calls. And last but not least, we have the focus modes, which also allow you to control people who call you, right? So for example, I'm right now inside of the work mode, and I can control that the calls are allowed from everybody, or only allowed people, or only my favorites, right? So that depends, and the repeated calls button is below, but that is specifically for the work focus mode, that, you know, in this mode only John or my favorites can call me, but if somebody else tries to, they will be blocked. But if they do it over and over again, meaning that it's something urgent, then this toggle decides that it's gonna go through anyway. So yeah, that's all I wanted to explain. I tried to cover it from all of the different angles. So if you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and let me know below, and I'll see you later.